everyone. It is Saturday morning, 6:20 in the morning. I'm doing a get ready with me. See, I got orange on, my little pumpkin. Fred and I are going to the grocery store. So that's why you guys are getting ready with me so early. Fred wants to go beat the crowd at Meijer's. So that's what we're doing. That's our only thing to do. And if you look, I got my room all situated, all my things in order. Oh, no cat. She's not in here. So that's what we did. I got it all situated. I'm proud of myself. Let me get this back the way it should be. Let me move you. You're probably getting sick to your stomach right now. But right now I'm doing my eyebrows. Well, trying to get them up there at least. And I washed my hair and my face and took a bath. And I put some of this Odysite oil on my face. And I'm going to put some on my arms. I need to put some on my whole body, actually. Because it says it helps the crepiness. You know, I checked on a bottle of this. It's quite expensive. It's quite expensive. Ask me if I remember. No, I don't. I'm going to put some primer on my face. And I'm going to use the Murad. Oops, right here. Murad. Oh, I got to put the oil in here. But I switched everything up. And I'm hoping I can do well. I'm going to put a fun color eyeshadow on today. I hope I can do it right. I'm putting the Murad primer on my face and my eyes. I didn't put any eye drops in today in my eyes yet. I'm going to do it afterwards. I might be sad because of Alright, oops, I lost the lid. I have this this is for the eye puffiness under your eyes and on top. So I'm going to put that on there. And I don't know if it's how good it is, but we shall try. It's my first time. It was in my advent calendar. I decided what I'm going to do with that advent calendar. If I can, I'm going to try is put something in each of those boxes for Fred for Christmas. Even if it's a dollar store. And those of you who don't know who Fred is, that's my husband. And I want to thank everybody for coming to my channel today. And I'd like everybody, this is your first time, to like, subscribe, and share. And those of you that have been here before, I'd like you to like and share. And I have primer on my face. So my next step is to, oh, I'm not peach fuzzy yet. I need to exfoliate my face, not exfoliate, I need to, sometime this weekend, do my face. You know, I thought I had that in the right spot. I'm having problems with the lighting this morning in the camera. How's that? Is that better? And with the mirror. There we go. So I can get in the mirror. Okay. So today, do you think we should underpaint again? I like underpainting. Or do you think we should just go the regular route? Oh, I gotta get you my... We are going to use these colors from Smashbox today. Smashbox on my eyes. Look at that. Oh, I am going to use this color on my eyelids. Isn't that cool? That orange. Look at that. Matches my shirt. Ever see a 61-year-old lady use orange on her eyes? Well, today you will. But I have to do something with the bags under my eyes. I need to get this here so I can see what I'm doing. I have to get the under eye thing on. I have to get my, oh, I'm using this for my concealer. Can you see that? Or is it two? It is called, where'd my glasses go? Oh, here they are. It is called Ms. Beauty. You see that? Ms. Beauty. Okay. So, and it's pretty good. I gotta figure out what brushes I'm gonna use today. Maybe I'll use my Odin's Eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna use those. I use my Odin's Eyes. My Odin's Eyes. I'll try those today. I'm not real familiar with them, but we'll try them. Because these are just for eyes. So, and I cleaned all my brushes yesterday and my sponges. I think I'm going to add some color to my eyebrows today. Oh. I feel tired today. I haven't taken all my pills, so my vitamins yet. I haven't taken those yet, so. And I know usually people put their concealer on over their foundation. So today we might just be doing a underpainting again. I don't even know what foundation we're going to use today. I'm looking over there in my group of foundation. I think we might use the one that changes color on your face. You know, this is even a pretty look. Just plain. But we're not doing that today. We are going to have color on these eyes. That's what we're doing. So we're going to do this. And I I'm going to place the tape. What did I do with the tape? Oh, here it is, right in front of my eyes. I am going to place the tape. I got to feel it first. By both sides of my eyes. So I don't go over. See, right like that. Wait, let's tape it up a little more so I can do my eyebrow right. And right here. All right. All right. How does that look? I know that's funny, isn't it? It's just so you can use it as a barrier. Can I make you come in closer? Does this make you come in closer? Let's see. No. Huh. All right. So we have that. Now I'm going to work on the eyebrow a little bit. Where's the brush? Here's the brush. I'm going to put this all up like this. Whoops, I need to move this. Hair gets in the way. All right, let's see. And this is the color. And we can color this in. Okay, let's just... Let's get that brushed in there lightly. All right, how does that look? Okay, now let's brush it up. All right. All right, and brush it down. Let's see. Ooh. Trust the process. I'm putting some. Put that there. I wonder if this is going to last long. This brand of concealer. Okay. All right. Oh, excuse me. All right. I gotta clean off my brush. And that's all. All right. That's my flat brush. Now I need the puffy brush. And I'm gonna get that orange. And pat, 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 pat. Just rainbow it. Get it on the tip. So I got them on both eyes, just on the movable lid. See that? What do you think? Different for a lady of my age. But I kind of like it. I have to clean some of it up, which I do see, but I like it. We're going to be selling pumpkins at church, and I think I'm going to do that. Wear this shirt. And I'm going to clean that up too. I need to put a color in my crease. So I gotta get a crease. Oh, that's clean. I really like that. I really like these. The color cleaner, the brush cleaners, those take the colors right off. I think I'm gonna go in with this gold right here. Just a very little bit. Just tap it in there and go right in the crease with it. Oh, it looks like I gotta do more than a tap. Okay, and then tap it. Okay, and swish. Swish, back and forth. And dab in there a little more. And swish, back and forth. And just, let me see this in regular view. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, that was another one. Now let's blend that all in there. Get a little bit in there. I know I'm not talking much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm off in my own little world. That was awfully quiet of me, wasn't it? I've just got this orange stuff all over. And I'm trying to fix my eye to where it is okay and doesn't look funky. Let's take this off and see. Let's see. Let's see. How's that look? Oh, it looks pretty good. Looks good. What do you think? Yeah. Let me get my eyeliner on. And okay. Ooh. My nose is running. Just take some right there. Right there. And we'll put a different color right there on this spot. So I put some more of the concealer up here to kind of blot that out. So I can put a different color, maybe some so I can put some of this color right there and fill it in. And I am filling it in. It's a cream. Maybe? No, it's not. And I'm going to take the tape off. Ooh, the tape hurts. Ow. Tape hurts. And I'm going to go down my eye right here, under the eye, with that color. There. Looks pretty good. That's a good brush for under eye. And I'm going to put this away because I am done. Oh, I should put that in my box of everything I'm using this week. I'm done with that. And I need, what else do I need? Eyelash curler. I don't know what brand this is, but it's just eyelash curler. I curl it from the bottom up. And I do it about 2 or 3 times. I really need a really good eyelash curler though. This one's kind of funky, but it works. We're gonna go to Meijer's and get a little bit of groceries. And I'll see some people I used to work with. I miss it, but I like this better. A lot better. Alright. And what is this called? House lash. Oops. See, house. How come it's not showing it? House lash, Haas lash. And you just take it and you go up. Let me turn this back this way to the magnifying glass so I can see what I'm doing. And I start from the bottom and I go up. Oh, these really are, I like this brush. Look at the brush. I just twirl it up. It's a nice brush. Give it a couple coats. Huh. And I'm gonna go back in. Oops, I can't even see the hole as a thing goes in. I can't wait till I get my glasses, and I can see everything. Alright. Adding in my bottom lash, just lightly. They say people my age shouldn't do their bottom lash, but I really like to. My favorite feature on my body is my eyes. Actually, my eyes and my boobs. Always has been. What's your favorite feature on your body? Do you have a favorite feature? And now I am going to do some underpainting. This is what I'm going to do. Get this like this with Blippi. Okay, Blippi. All right. I need to spray this with my rose spray. I have one that's open. Here it is. Take my rose spray. This is a finishing spray by Luminous, but it's also, you can wet your Blippi with it. I call it a Blippi, but it's a sponge. It's your beauty sponge. Oh, my mirror's got all that junk on it. I'm just gonna get some powder, my Neutrogena, and I'm gonna set my face a little bit, and just go through and set my under eyes and my face and my go through and set my face a little bit because I'm going to be adding stuff on. Under my eyes, I'm going to set. Down my nose, around my lips. I have these aunts named Roxy and Nosy. And I gotta tell you, these guys look so beautiful at their age. And I think they have not had a bit of work done on their faces. And they're beautiful. They are so beautiful. And they look good for their age. Very good. But they go to the gym too, so what do you want for that age, you know? All right, I need a brush. I'll use this one. I need some brushes. So we're gonna put some contour right here. Wait, let me put that behind my ear for now. It's finally getting long enough where it goes behind the ear. Behind the ear. I mean, on the, ooh, right here. Right? Let me see if I can get that better with this side of the mirror. Okay. How's that look? Ow. Let's break the mirror. I said ow, and I didn't hit me. I hit the mirror. Well, it's not really that dark, but that's okay. We don't need dark. All right, and then we need, well, let's clear this out. Then we need some blush. I have some liquid blush. Liquid blush. We're gonna laugh at the color. Look at the color. It's pink. We're gonna laugh at the color. I'll swatch it for you too. Let you see the color. Look at the color. It's funny. I gotta make sure I wash this stuff off my hands so when I go in the grocery store, I don't look like a... And then I need some highlighter. This highlighter. And I think I'm going to use this brush by Odin's Eyes. Oh. Put it where it belongs. Take this brush and smooth it all out together. Blend it. And is it blending? I need my blending buddy. And blend it. Just punch it in like this. Blend it. Yeah, that looks good. I gotta wipe off my lips. And how the I sprayed some cologne on earlier, perfume. I don't know what the name of it was. It was from my scent buddy. I get that soon, and then I get my Ipsy glam bag this month. I can't wait till I get it. All right, now how does that look? How does that look? All right, now that's underpainting, because next we are going to use, where'd the eyeglasses go again? The medium spectrum sunscreen SPF 50. What is the name of this? They see it all the time. Well, anyway, this is the sunscreen. I mean, this is the, what do you call it? This is the, what are we putting on now? This is the, God help me. This is the, whoops. This is the, why can't I think of it? Foundation that goes on, and it's white. And then it changes the color of your skin. I'll show you. You just put it on your face. See it being white? And there's like some micro beads in it. Once you smear it around your skin, they like pop. And then they go, they change to the color of your skin. See, going like this, it doesn't change. But watch. If I go like this, watch it change. Look at that. It's changing. See that? Look, it's changing the color to the color of my skin. I think that's so dynamic. Look at that. See, you can see the brown, or the, you know, the flesh color up there. And it looks so natural. And then, of course, because I never put on foundation with my hands, but I did today. Let me get my blender and brush it and buddy it now. I never put it on with my hands, but I did today because I wanted to show you. And of course, there's a lot of skip marks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. And you can either use a brush or your little blippy or your blending buddy, as you call it. However you're going to call it. See? Oh, I put it on my eyes. Oh well. See it? See how supple? Now I do think I need a little bit more color where my pink was. So I'm going to take the pink. What do I do with that? Oh, it's right here. And I'm going to put it right here, about here. This is liquid blush. It's my first time ever using liquid blush, I believe. And I like it. And you just pounce it in there. Oh, my neighbors just woke up. All their lights went on. So you just pounce it in there and it adds just a little bit of color. See this side? And you see a little bit of the highlight. And then I'll take some of the blush and go across here, here, down here and make some color. And then I'll go here. Oops. Go on this side. How does that look? Powder the nose a little bit. Go up on the forehead a little bit. Just make it all a little bit colorful. So how does that look? Now I'm basically done, except for I want to put some lipstick on, and that's it. I'll put some lip balm on, my lipstick. I had lip balm on, but, and I'll touch up the eyebrows. Well, let me get some powder. Just go through with some powder throughout the face. Just to not really set it, but to freshen it. Here we go. There we go. Just freshen it up a little bit. Make it stay. I'll get my setting spray, and I don't have my lipstick on, but that's okay. Not with that, I don't. And let's get some lip balm on. Okay. All right. I know I had some on, but I had to put some balm on to get that stuff off, if that means anything. That's just what I do. I have a non-cooperating eyebrow today, and that's just very terrible. All right. Oops. All right. And what am I going to do here? I'm going to put on my lip liner. And I don't know who this is by. Let's see. What do I do with the glasses now? Oh, they're back there. Yes, I lose my glasses all the time. This is by Bisha, and I couldn't tell you the color. But it's this color, if you can see it. And I like to color in my lip. After I line it, because it makes it laugh. Okay. Okay. All right. Where's that brush? Take it. Okay. All right. Put that in there. This here. Here's the lip balm. Here's the lipstick. It's by Lippy Chip. I can't open it. And here's the lipstick. The color. Okay. All right, let's glue down the eyebrows. Okay. There we go. I like that color lipstick. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to put on lip gloss. Make it shine. I just was double putting that on there because I wanted to smear that lipstick that was on that area. Yeah, so everything looks good. So, what do you think? That little bit of orange, everything looks good. And then I have my little glasses on for my readers. Now I look like a teacher. I was one. Let's get the hair done. Not much to the hair to do. because it's pretty much a wash and go kind of hairdo. And that's what I need, especially as things get a little rougher for me. Hubby can do it because I'm pretty vain with my hair, and he's learning. There we go. But I just pray nothing gets too rough for me, and he can do it. Or I can do it, not him. But that's that. And you folks have a good day. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And please remember to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye. Have a good Saturday.